Cheetah. Monkey, but I don't know which one. So I'm just gonna do like Kookaburra. Just a parrot, I think, like a big parrot. Elephant. This one's gonna be funny. A dolphin? It's very hard for me to do a dolphin. A horse? A horse, yeah, a horse. A goat. A sheep. I think this is a duck or a goose. I'm not sure. A seagull. You know when they do that?
Or just a little tiny piggy.
Now this is a donkey. A cat purring. A snake. Oh, just a cat, like in general. Meow, 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 meow. Or a little kitty cat. And for my final touch, I'm gonna do a dog, a very aggressive one.